Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can get rewards from the jungle event in Fish It. So as you can see, it is right here. The daily quest for right now, I think it refreshes every like 3 to 4 hours. I actually don't remember. I think it's 4 to 5. So first, catch 5 epic fish. I've only gotten 2, sell 300. That's super simple. Catch a spare guardian. It's just a fish. Catch 100 fish at underground cellar. So where you want to go is basically here. Let me just go this way actually. There is another temple. Where is it? It's actually to the right. I don't know why I went left. To the right here, this is the underground cellar, and basically it only opens at night. So when it hits like 6 p.m. I think is the only way you can go in the underground cellar. And that's pretty much it, really super simple. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click that thanks button as well. And that is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.